Today in this video, we will be playing with Play-Doh. And this is it. Well, it's actually my sister's. And this is my sister's. And we mixed it up.
So it mixes horrible green colour.
Yeah. And I'm wearing my mum's dressing down. So yeah. We're going to try and make, you know, them people who do ice cream rolls. We're going to do them.
Can I do any videos of this?
Yeah, come on then. Why are you wearing a scarf over you?
It's not a scarf, but you know what it is. That Frank's on it.
So we're going to slice it down.
Okay, brother, can I borrow it?
Slice.
Okay, I'm going to roll mine out.
So, like that. And then keep doing a strip down. Now, I'm using a knife. Get an adult to do it for you, if you're a little. And then, just roll them. And then, it's like a spiral. Next one. Just do the same to each one. Just do it at a time. Like that, look at that. Like my sister. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to show you that one. That's number 3.
Oh my days, guys. That is huge.
No, keep your on there. And there's my other one. Then what they do is like get one of them ice cream bowls and then stick it in. I'm using a Play-Doh thing. So like that. Then get some stick. And then there you go. Here's your ice cream. Take a little bite. Take a little bite, guys. So, you took a bite?
So they're yours.
There you go.
Okay. I'm not sure.
Right. I'm sure that lid will fit on. Yeah.
These lids do fit on.
I think I can fit my Play-Doh just in one bowl.
Yeah, they do fit on. Okay, brother, let's just keep playing with Play-Doh.
Alright, guys. So, there it is. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe. And comment. Go check out our TikToks. Mine's Kyle Grocott and my other YouTube channel is Fortnite Gamer Pro 55.
And my TikTok name is Amy H at the end.
Yeah, so yeah. Make sure you go follow us. And like. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. And bye. And peace.